It's actually generating. Oh my god, guys, this is really worked. I can't believe it. I got everything I wanted. Oh my god, guys, 100,000 coins right now. Welcome back, guys, to this brand new YouTube tutorial. And guys, it's my blower today because your boy will be showing you how you can get unlimited gems and unlimited coins all in your favorite cooking fever game, guys. Free, safe and only, without download any mode APKs or any softwares. So just make to follow each and every step that your boy implemented in today's video, and you will be having unlimited gems and unlimited coins, guys. First step is open up your browser, Safari or Google, doesn't matter, and type in address right here. Next step is search your game or app. Okay, guys, I find Cooking Fever and enter your username. Guys, enter your username in your Cooking Fever account or game, of course. I am user 1010 and click verify your username. Okay, guys, wait for loads up and select your device. I select iOS. Okay, guys. Oh my god, very fun step, guys. Select your coins and select your gems or diamonds. Okay, guys, I select maximum. Why not? Click generate resources and wait for loads up. Oh my god, guys, I find this guide online, testing in a few times, and once you saw it work perfectly, and I decide to share it with you. Guys, quick type, don't use VPN, it might not work, just use home Wi-Fi or any good internet and you'll be fine. Okay, everything is perfect right now. Okay, click generate code. Okay, guys, very important step. Download 2 app or finish 2 questionnaire. Okay, I download 2 app or finish 2 questionnaire. Install just play and play 2 game. Okay, guys, I install and play 2 game. Scroll down, maybe install and open Alibaba. Okay, and install and collect. Okay, guys, I understand. I download 2 app or complete 2 questionnaire and be right back. Guys, all of this app is from official App Store and Google Play Store and working for both iOS and Android devices, guys, within a few simple clicks. So install and be right back, guys. Okay, guys, your boy complete all steps. Everything is here right now. Now we need a code. Open up your browser. Oh my god, guys, we got the code we wanted so much. Click submit code. Open up your Cooking Fever game, guys. Okay, nothing is happening right now. Okay, guys, as you can see, it's actually generating. Oh my god, guys, this is really worked. I can't believe it. I got everything I wanted. Oh my god, guys, 100,000 coins right now. Leave a like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.